What's going on? Welcome back. Today we're gonna make a velvety tomato soup with sourdough grilled cheese. To begin, roughly chop carrots, onions, and garlic and sweat that down in a saucepan with olive oil. It should take you about 5 to 8 minutes, so be patient, it'll be well worth it. This yields the maximum flavor and sweetness. I like to season throughout the recipe so that the flavor has more time to develop. Next, add a can of tomatoes. I'm gonna flavor the soup with a pinch of fennel and celery seed, dried oregano, and some cayenne pepper. I also added a pinch of salt. Cover with the lid and cook slowly for 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, you're going to want to uncover it to add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream. Continue to cook that for another 10 minutes. If you begin to feel guilty, just remember it's going to be rich and delicious. Transfer it over into a blender and process it until it is smooth. Emulsify about 4 ounces of butter into it. You can pass it through a strainer, but if you cooked it long enough, it shouldn't be necessary. Now keep it warm while we work on the grilled cheese. In a saute pan, melt a teaspoon of butter and toast the sourdough until GBD. What's GBD? I don't know what's GBD. That's golden brown and delicious. Now cover it with sharp cheddar and melt it in the oven until it's sexy. See you back on the next one.